to another one. What's good if you're new? Welcome back if you're old. Today we're going to be fixing my clapped out Lexus brakes, and I'm kind of tired of the color, so we're going to fix that too. Let's get into it. Make it low, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
Just leave it that high. Perfect.
I don't know, every time I do brakes on these cars, or I remember how low it is, and I hate it. But changing brakes on these cars is way easier than any other, in my opinion. Color. I never really liked red for brake calipers because everyone has red brake calipers, but I got those Adohan wheels, and they have the red center caps on them. I got afterwards. I don't know what the logic was there behind it, but we're switching into copper. I think the GS 500 comes with copper. Maybe that's a custom color, I don't know. But that's what we're changing into. And we have decals for the calipers to make it look a little more legit. That's that. Okay. Wow. So I don't know where my pliers are at all, so we're going to use this little electrical tester to pull that pin. And then the front brakes on these are so simple. You pull that pin, that pin out, this plate comes off, and brakes pretty much slide right out. Gosh, they're so low. You guys change your brakes. Change them often. Jesus. Okay, so we got some pliers. Off they come. Guys, change your brakes. I don't know what I'm doing. I always get worried when I see that because these brakes are shaped rectangular, so I think it's the wrong path. Because these AutoZone guys sometimes, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly's, they just get it wrong, and it's okay. But when you ask me if it's an automatic or a manual while getting wiper blades, I'm questioning my faith in you. Questioning it just a little bit. Just a tad. So this is also in. Wait a second. Hold up. It's so nicely, let's see if you can see that. It's nicely labeled, outer, inner. So you can never mess it up. But Lord knows I probably have. Easy peasy. So I have to pull these to paint them because I'm gonna run out of time. Gotta be somewhere. So I'm gonna throw this wheel back on. Let's see. That guy's back. I'm kind of in a hurry to do this, so I have enough time to bleed the brakes if I need to. And the only person who can do that is the trusty girlfriend, partner, companion.
I lied.
How did I lose a bolt? I didn't even go anywhere. I didn't take bolts anywhere. Make it make sense. Found it. Alright. Now the rear brakes, they're a little different. Obviously. They're not 4-piston or dual piston or quad piston or whatever. I really put these things on me last time. Good Lord. Oh. That sounded like it broke. Really hoping not. Back it back up. Off the ground. Front and rear. Most of the things I know about cars are from my dad. And the things I don't know, I was probably too scared to ask him. How does air get into brakes? You don't open up the lines. How does air get in there and need to bleed the brakes? Someone explain. Just for fun, because I'm gonna Google it, but I've always wondered. Oh my God, get off. Get off of there. So with the back brakes, it is definitely a different situation. Not as easy, I'm pretty sure. I wanna say the back of this is a 14. And you screw one bolt here, and this swings open. And then you can get these 2 pads out. I have to do it the hard way, the old-fashioned way. Also, how is there hair in my brakes? What? Is this not a 14 also? It definitely is a 14. Am I crazy? I'll answer that. It would help if the drill, not the drill, the socket is going away. Bro, it is not fitting on the back of this. Which makes no sense. There we go. So that's turning something I don't want to turn. It's turning both inner and the outer bolt. Let's try a 15 just for giggles. I think a 15 will hold it. I'll do this top one instead. Because this is... Can we start making cars actually have enough space to work on them? Can we do that? Collectively, as a human people? There's no way I put this on that at any point in time. Alright. We're gonna skip to me getting this off because wow. Okay, so we're back. One smash finger later, we got it out. And it slides just like that. Easy. It helps to turn it the right freaking way. We won't talk about that. Sometimes working on cars, you have little brain farts and you're like, is it lefty-tighty? No, but the brakes, since the bolt is on the opposite way or facing the opposite direction, you obviously have to go. If you were on that side, it would be righty-loosey. But facing you, it's lefty-loose. Or facing you, it's righty-loosey, but if you were facing it, it would be lefty-loosey, like it's supposed to be. So these really aren't that bad in the back, but in front, they are clapped pretty low. So it's not that much more difficult than the front, honestly. Brakes in general are easy. Alright, so everyone does these different. You can do it however you want to. Me personally, I use trash bags. Maybe because I'm ghetto. Because it's easier, but they're all nice and tucked. As long as we get one side tucked, we're good. Because the other bag will come over the top to get the rest. You feel me? God, it's so ghetto. But we're out here doing it. I've never had an issue with this method. As long as no one can see, who cares, right? So I'm gonna put this back in just to hold it up. Clean off your surface so the paint actually sticks. Spray, let it dry. Don't drive it anywhere until it's dry. Done. All right, so I clean off my surface a little bit. U2 Magic. Doesn't have a rattle in it. Oh, there it is. All right, and then light coats. Very light coats. If you do it right, I would say maybe 3 coats. Make sure it dries. Usually these dry pretty quick. Use temperature graded paint. If you do 1 coat on the back, let it dry. You can do the front. Ooh, we got a little smudge there. That was there from the red. So we're good there. Oh, the plastic bag away from it. God, that looks so much better. In my opinion, it looks so much better. So we're gonna let this dry and hit the front. Scoop you all up. I want a trolley, but my hands are nasty. I've been a nasty girl. These TikToks, they've gone too far. Bruh, a bug just flew straight into my mouth. Why? Disgusting. Ironically, sour crawlers and a bug just going around. You know, I don't know how the simulation works, but it's working. Anyways, another plastic bag. I'm gonna take this sticker. Can I take this sticker off cleanly? No. No, I cannot. It's been too much time. So we're gonna clean this off, and then if I lay the sticker right on top of this one, all good. So we're back. So we have more plastic bags. Gotta grab the lid. Okay. So, personally, I feel like the F Sport, I feel like the big one, it's almost too big.
Stop! What do you mean by that?
You know? I could probably get it with a razor.
Maybe back with a razor.
Razor acquired.
Let's see if I can scrape that down.
That's way better. Nice.
Oh, so like that.
I think that was some degreaser boy. It really doesn't have to be that clean, if I'm gonna be honest with you, because the paint's gonna cover it up. And this paint is heavy duty. The main thing you don't want is to be able to see the old F Sport. No one's really gonna see me, to be fair. If you're looking at the micro Calipers, then what are you doing with your life? So, back to plastic bags and being ghetto. You know, the usual. That on that side. Get one from the bottom coming up on this side of this way. And if you can, get it nice and tight there. Anything on the rotor face is going to get burnt off by the brakes, so you don't really have to worry about that too much. Let's see if we straighten it a little bit. Better angles. I don't know. I can't tell. Light coats at first. Get a good layer on there. And we let that kind of bounce back and forth between the front and the back until hopefully I can get a thick enough layer to cover up the old F Sport. And then I'll put a new sticker in. Obviously we're gonna do both sides, and I'll take a picture of it when I'm done, post it, Let me know if you like it. Hopefully you do. And you can obviously do this on pretty much any car with brakes instead of brake calipers instead of brake drums. But I really like this color way better. I think it pops with the blue. Let me know if you like it. Just look at that. It's so much better. Hang on. Let me show you with the wheel. With the wheel, it goes crazy. Hang on. Try not to touch the paint. Just look at that. That's, and then the rear. If we had those type of calipers on the rear, whew, perfect. But we don't, and that's okay. We're just poor. Let me drop this down, get a better look at it. We'll tighten her up, obviously. Sometimes your original plan just isn't the best plan, and you gotta switch it up. But I think maybe a different center cap. I'm not sure what kind. Maybe blue to match, because I don't think I'll be able to find a gold to match, or copper, bronze, whatever color this is. But I think it looks pretty dang good. All right, tighten these boys up. We'll drop it, torque it down, call it a day. Ooh, she moving. A little bit too much, but look at it lowered. Oh my God. Oh my God. I blasted off my front lip on accident. Road pretty much just ate it. Not my fault, I swear. All right, tighten this guy. I'm not sure where I end this video. I feel like I ended it too early. So this is probably me coming back and fixing it. So hopefully, collectively, it makes sense. Fingers crossed. All right, we'll get the back real quick. All right, that's a wrap skis. So those are the brakes. I'm content with it. With this car, honestly, it's just the reliable, clean car. That's the goal anyway. I think the gold sets it off, or I keep calling it gold. The copper really sets it off, and hope y'all like it. And if you don't, oh well. But catch you in the next one. My name's Jay. Thanks for watching. Stay cruising.